Hello, my friends. I hope you're good. I hope you're fine. Yes, I'm here to talk to you about mathematics. My name is Nasas Habiba. Last time we talked about subtraction, and we are still continuing subtraction. We said subtraction can be take away. For instance, you have a few things, and someone tells you to take away some few from them. Also, we said we can use the word decrease. Still, it means to subtract. And the subtraction sign is simply a bar. This. Yes, we said, we all know, if you have 5 fingers and someone tells you to take away 2 fingers, you know exactly what to do. These are 5, and you take away 2. The remainder is your answer. Today, we're again looking at subtraction, but this is a bit tricky. So I would like you to concentrate. I would like you to leave whatever you're doing. Please don't get distracted. I will tell you when to get distracted, but for now, please concentrate and settle. If you have anywhere to write, I'm permitting you to get it now. I'm giving you only 5 seconds. I hope you have where to write and a pencil or a pen, whatever you have now. I want you to help me and help yourself as well work out this number. I have this number 52, take away 19. 52, take away 19. I am giving you only 2 minutes. I know you're going to use the side work. I know you're going to start with the 1s and then 10s. That's what I'm expecting from you. Yes, I'm still waiting. Okay. All right. Yes, I know what you've got now. You've said 5, take away 9. I know. Everyone has said, oh my goodness, how can I take away 9 from 2? I believe most of you are asking yourselves what to do next. Okay? Don't get confused. Don't get confused. Yes, it's 5. The number is 52 and you're taking away 19. Are you telling me that is impossible? Can't you take away 19 from 52? Yes, you can. But now, if we have done it in a way that, remember we said we cannot draw all the 52 balls or counters or what, and we cross out the 19. We said no, we can't do that. So, we are doing a place value per place value, all right? We are starting with the 1s in this format. In this case, we are starting with 1s, and that is 2, take away 9. And that's where the problem has come. Worry not. That's why I'm here today. I want us to look at subtracting with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. I'll pick this exact number. I'll say, as example number 1, it says 52, and we are taking away 19. Yes, I know it was a problem to us. Let's work out. You know, we can't, when we get a problem in life, we just don't say it is a problem. We find a way of working it out. So here we are. We're saying we're starting with the 1s, remember? And the numbers in 1s are 5 and 9, okay? So we are going to do 2, take away 9. Hey, that's where the problem came in. 2, take away 9. So to take away 9, teacher, it is impossible. Huh? How can I take away 2 from 9? Sorry, 9 from 2. This is impossible. It can't happen. No way. Yes, I know. We cannot take away 9 from 2. But hey, what do we do? Do we just look on? Do we just say, it is impossible, so what do we do? Let me just leave that number. It is impossible. Some of you have a tendency of saying, 9 take away 2 is possible, so what I'm going to do is to just take away, I will just add this and that. There's a way you do your mixture there, which is not good. Stick to the place values. 2 take away 9 is impossible. What do we do? What do we do? So this is what we're going to do. We are going to move to another group. I always call this one a neighbor. Whereas I prefer calling this one a neighbor. I like calling this a neighbor because if you're having a good, relationship with your neighbor, they can help you out. For instance, you don't have salt, and your neighbors have, they can lend you. If what you have is not enough and the neighbors are having, yes, they can lend you. That's okay. This is exactly what you're going to do. You do not have enough, but you have to work out the problem. You will go to the neighbor who will lend you. The neighbor will lend you. You will borrow from the neighbor. Have you got those words? The neighbor will lend you. You will borrow from the neighbor. You will move to the neighbor and say, oh, neighbor, I'm so bad off. And the neighbor will, in mathematics, the neighbor will never say no. Even if the neighbor is just having what is enough for him or her, they will never say no. So the neighbor will say, oh, yes, oh, my dear friend, you're having 2, and they want 9 from you. What do we do? The neighbor will give you 1. And this one will be 110. The neighbor will give you 110. So the neighbor who has 5, let's go together. That's why I'm actually a bit slow. The neighbor who has 5 will give you only 110. So if I had a 2 and someone gives me a 10, so I will be having a 12. But remember, this neighbor had a 5 and gave me only 1. That means the neighbor steps back a bit. Okay? So if the neighbor was 5 and gives me only 1, the neighbor will remain with a 4. Are we together? Okay? Are we together? Please follow every single step I'm doing. We said at first we had 2 and we're supposed to take away 9 from 2. We said that is impossible for now. What do? We don't just look on, we move to the neighbor. The neighbor gives us only 110. And this 10, if we put that 10, the neighbor has given us, and we add on what we had already, we get 12. Okay? So when I write 12 here, don't say, oh, where did she get the 12? Yes, I got the 12 because I picked 110 from that neighbor. So I'm having 12 take away 9. Is this possible? Is it? Yes, I'm taking away a small number from a bigger number. So I guess that is quite possible. All right, so we have our counters. Do you have your counters with you? Let me draw the counters now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm taking away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do I remain with? 3. You see how we've been able to crack that? Yes. 12 take away 9 is 3. I move to tens now. Do I still have 5? No. I have 4. It is 4 now. Take away 1. 4, take away 1. 4 fingers, take away 1 finger. Is that possible? Yes, that is possible. 4 fingers, take away 1. What do I remain with? I remain with 3. I remain with 3. That is it. So 52, take away 19 is 33. Yes, I know there are still so many other queries. You're still asking. You're still asking. Let's continue. Let's continue. I'm doing another example. Another example is here. I have 6. I have 69. I am taking away 40. Oh, sorry. 50, 49. I am taking away 63, take away 49. Yes. 63 is a bigger number. It's bigger than 49. That is possible. So we can take away 49 from 63. But now, if I'm doing my subtraction, I will start with the ones, then the tens. I'm doing my side work. You all know why we do side work. Up to now, you know exactly why we do side work. So I'll say 3 take away 9. 3 take away 9. That's so difficult. So we can't take away 9 from 3. That is very difficult. So what do I do? Still, like I told you, what do we do? Do we just look on? No, we don't look on. 3 take away 9 is impossible, so we'll move to the neighbor. The neighbor will give us. Doesn't matter. The neighbor will not say, yeah, I'm just having what is enough for me. The neighbor will give us. The neighbor had 6, and now the neighbor gives us 5. And we get the new number now is 13. So if we are taking away 9 from 13, that is very possible. Okay? So because 9 is smaller than 13. So 13 take away 9, what is the answer? You work it out. To be a 4. So come and put your 4 here. Move to the 1 to the 10s. Move to the 10s. 5 take away 4. 5 take away 4. Our new number will be 5 because the 6 that was there previously gave us only 1 10 and remained with a 5. So 5 take away 4, that is easy peasy. 5 take away 4 is 1. So you put your 1 there. If you keep practicing, trust me, you'll see this as a very simple work to do. Keep practicing. You'll get there. I am doing one more example, and I believe now, after doing that, you'll be able to crack any number, provided you practice. Mathematics is all about practicing. If you do not practice, you can't get it. All right, number 3 is here. Number 3 is here. And number 3, I'm going to do 3 digits. I'm doing 3 digits. Get ready for that. I am having 612. 612. Take away 33. Are you here? Are you paying attention? Are you ready? Please check here. Check this out. Remember, we are following our side work very well. We are following our side work. We are following our side work. So I'm having 2 take away 3. We said we cannot take away a big number from a small number. So what we do, we move to the neighbor. Look at this neighbor. It's having only 110. Neighbor has 110. And then this neighbor gives us the 110 the 110 he had, and now a new number now becomes 12. And now the neighbor here had a 1. What do you think the neighbor remained with? The neighbor had a 1 and gave it to us, so the neighbor remained with nothing. And that is a 0. So the neighbor remained with a 0. So we move to this one. 12 take away 3. That is very possible. Very possible. So we'll find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you're taking away 3 from there. 1, 2, 3. What do we get? What do we remain with? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. We move to this one, this generous neighbor of ours, who had a 1, gave us, and remained with a 0, take away 3. You have nothing, and I tell you to take away 3 from that nothing. Sincerely, is that possible? So we have 0, take away 3. So what do we do? Still, this 0 has a generous neighbor. So we'll keep moving. We've moved to this neighbor and say, my friend neighbor, please lend me. The neighbor will lend me. The neighbor who had a 6 will now go to 5 and lends me 110. So you see the new number? What is the new number? The new number is 10. So 10 take away 3. What is 10 take away 3? Do you have your fingers with you? 10 take away 3. Yes, I believe all of you have got 7. So 10 take away 3 is 7. We move to this last neighbor, who is 5. 5 take away. What do we have here down? Nothing. So 5 take away 0 is? You have a 5 and someone tells you to take away nothing. Of course, you remain with that number you have. So 5 take away 0 is 5. 5 take away. So 612 take away 33 is 579. It is so simple. Trust me, if you keep practicing, you'll be able to crack even bigger numbers. But if you rest, you rust. So I want you to concentrate. And I want you to keep practicing. Generate so many numbers. What you have to do is to keep borrowing from the neighbor. It is so simple if you practice. And thank you so much for listening. I hope you're going to keep practicing. I hope you're going to work out as many numbers as you can. There is an exercise I'm going to leave with you. Please make sure you do it and add so many other numbers you can work out. I thank you so much. I sign out. Nasa Sabiba is my name. Till we meet again.